Hey, what's up guys, Saikin here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android phone screen to your TV. So in order to do that, go to settings, there you find display, go down, here you can see cast, press that and make sure that your TV is Wi-Fi enabled. So select this, that's it, it's connected. After getting connected, you can see your mobile screen on your TV. You can access whatever content you need. I hope you like the video guys, so please subscribe, share and comment the video. Thank you.